This video will show you how to record a horizontal electrical profiling test. Please, before doing so, make sure you have checked that all of the settings are to your preference. You can learn more about the settings in the Data Settings tutorial. First, we create a new data entry. When you enter your HEP entry for the first time, you are taken to the settings page. Get your geolocation via GPS or enter it manually. Then, choose the array type you will use and enter the electrode spacings. Then, choose the input method for your measurements and save your settings. On this page, there is a Data, Chart and Map tab. Here at Data, you will find 3 data points for which you can enter measurements. You can edit the data points by clicking them. At the top, you can edit the label of the point and add a comment. In the second box, you are reminded of the electrode spacing. In the third square, get the geolocation of the array midpoint. At the fourth square, you can insert your measured resistance. This square will look different if you have chosen a different input method. In this case, we can enter the measured resistivity manually, and the apparent resistivity will be calculated automatically and shown in the lowest square. Saving your data will take you back to the main HEP page and show your adjusted label and measured resistivity. If you want, you can also create a new data point at the top by inserting a label and clicking Create New Point. You can also remove a data point by clicking the small arrow on the right and selecting Delete this point. The Chart tab will show you the inserted data points in the graph, including their label. On the map, you can see where your data points are located, so it could look like this. Getting a report is done by clicking on the small arrow of your HEP data entry and selecting Submit and Create Report. If you receive the error message "Can't retrieve profile information," it means you haven't completed your company profile, which is accessible on the home screen. If your profile is complete, you will receive an email with a PDF file that contains a map of the location, the raw data and the chart, and the raw data in Excel format.